right there. These right here was the 15 yard. Look like I need to come down a little bit. A little bit to the right. Hello. Name's Adame. Today I'm going to show you this is the newest. This is the Ruger Mark IV 2245 Lite, and got my suppressor on there, and this is a very sweet gun. Going to sight in my little scope. I shot a few shots, about 15 yards, and now I'm at 25 yards. Alright, here goes the first shot at 25 yards. These right here, these shots right here is at 25 yards. Well, I think that's pretty good. These I was aiming right here at 35 yards. This one here I aim on the bottom and I got that. I was aiming here and I got, so for 35 yards for this 22, I believe at least I got a good group right here. This could have, but here I was aiming a little low, so that's a pretty good little group right there. 35 yards, not bad at all. And here's my setup way over. Down right here is 35 yards.